Hi, I'm Nikisha and this is Nikita Workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to add a SVG file and a PNG file to Cricut Design Space. Here I have Cricut Design Space open. I'm using a MacBook Pro. So we're on the home page. We're going to go and click to New Project. Here we're in the design space on a blank canvas. So what you want to do is click on Upload. Then you want to do, before you click Upload Image, here they give you a list of the files that you can upload into Cricut Design Space. So we have a JPEG, a GIF, PNG, BMP, SVG, or a DXF. So like I mentioned before, we're going to do a PNG and then we're going to upload a SVG file. So what you want to do, you're going to click on Image. We're going to click on Browse. So you have an option where you can drag and drop from a folder, or you can click Browse to find a location of where you have your file stored. So we're actually going to start with the PNG first. So I'm going to go looking for a PNG file. So these are files or a version of the files that I have listed on my digital shop on Etsy. So we have the image here. If this is not the image that you want to pull in, just go to Replace Image and it takes you back to the screen where you can browse for the file that you're looking for. So I'm going to go back in. I'm just going to grab the first PNG file that I have here. Then we're going to click Open. So this is the file I'm looking for. So here they give you three options of how Cricut Design Space should pull the image in. So if it's like a complex design, something simple, you pick the one that best suit the needs. So I'm going to go with complex just to see what happened. So this probably is going to take longer for it to process. So you hit complex. Once it's highlighted with the green box around it, then you click continue. So here, if you want to do some other edits, so I'm using the free version of Cricut Design Space and I don't have a subscription. So here you can, if you want to remove certain items or certain parts of the image that you want to delete or you want to have the Cricut machine cut out, you would do select and then you click on the part you want it to remove. Depending on the file in your computer, it might take a little minute. So if you look closely, you see where it has those little boxes that mean that that's now a blank spot or empty space. If you make a mistake and you don't want that to happen, just hit the return or the undo button and you should see it comes back white. So if you're not making any changes to this file, all you have to do is click apply and continue. And you notice there's a back button. So if for any reason you want to go back and make changes, just hit the back button. So here on the next screen, we can either cut an outline of the image that we just import, or if you're going to do a print and cut, then you could click the print and cut option. In this case, I'm going to click the print and cut. Now it has a green box around it. Then you're gonna, before you hit upload, you have the option of changing the name of the file if you want, or adding additional tags or keywords that you want to associate with the file that you're about to import. I'm just going to leave it as is for this demonstration. So once that's highlighted, then you can click the upload button. It might take a minute. So here we're back on this screen. So here you see it's not highlighted where you can add to canvas. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on the image and now you can add to canvas. So you're going to click add to canvas. So now you have your print and cut file. As you can see, this is a very huge high quality picture. So before you change the size, just remember to lock the dimensions. Here we go. And then you want to reduce it to the size that you actually need. So I'm going to do 7 just to start. And then I click. And it did not save. So let's do this again. So I'm going to hit 7 and hit enter. And then now you see we resized it. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to add an SVG file. We just did the PNG, so now we're going to add the SVG. So I'm going to do a new canvas. I'm not going to save this. I'm going to hit replace. So now on the new canvas, we're going to do upload. We're going to click on upload image. We're going to browse. Let's find a SVG file. I'm going to use the brother version this time. So here we have a different screen because this is a SVG that we're going to pull in. So it says cut image. We're going to do, here you can also save the name and then put whatever tags you want to associate with the image that you're going to import. For this demonstration, I'm just going to leave it blank and I'm leaving the name as is. Then we're going to click upload. And then now we have the image here ready to add to our canvas. So now we're going to click on the image that we want to add to the canvas. And then we're going to say add to canvas. And then now you see it pulls in all these colors as different cut designs. You can see them over here, all the different designs, the pieces that are here. If you wanted to do this as a cut file. So this is how you add a PNG and a SVG file into Cricut Design Space. Thank you and have a good day.